Next, we start crocheting for the 10th lap. The 10th round is 38 single crochets without increasing or decreasing. Each stitch is knitted accordingly. So we all finished lap 10 ourselves. After finishing, let's do the demonstration for lap 11. Next, we reached lap 11. Make a slight connection. Pull out the needle. Standing needle. On lap 11, we had a single crochet, 1 stitch reduction, 18 single crochets, a simple needle, 15 single crochets. After finishing, there are a total of 36 stitches. Let's demonstrate directly. The first single crochet. Fasten the marker. Next weekend. A simple needle. Next are 8 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10 or 20. 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then continue with a subtraction, a down. Then, in the end, crochet all 15 stitches to single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 90 years. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then continue with the finishing touches and connect. Pull out a pin and tighten a standing pin. Next, we move on to lap 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All 5 of these rounds are single crochets without adding or decreasing, and here, there are a total of 36 torments. Let's all weave these 5 lines ourselves. After completing these 5 lines, our approach to checkmarking will be different. Let's pay attention to the next demonstration. Now we've finished 16 rows on our side. After that, the state looks like this. Next, we continue with the guardian seat connection. Pull the pull-out needle tight. A standing pin is set at the height of row 17. Next, let's first enlarge the coil. Let's take another look at the diagram. Now let's look at the illustration from line 17. Then, starting from row 17, we need to change the color. Based on the headphone case, I've roughly drawn a shape here. It's the earphone case, with both ears being the same color. Because the body is white, the ears are one color, but 2 colors. We call this bicolor. So let's follow the ring shown here. Love weaves together. And if what you bought is what I drew in the picture, this way, the 2 ear colors are different. Then add the white of the body and get 3 colors. We call this the tricolor. So let's follow the ring shown here. Their true methods are actually exactly the same. This means changing colors in different areas. Alright, starting from the 17th. Here, we have written the different colors. This is the part where cable replacement is needed. The green thread is the color that needs to be changed. This is the part where cable replacement is needed. The black part. The black pen writes this color. Normal knitting is white. So here, it's very clear. 7 single crochets are the 7 single crochets in 2 colors. Let's start from the bottom. 7 single needles of one color. Then continue with 7 single needles that are white. Then the next 22 single crochets. Again, it needs to be recolored. The green part is the same color for us. Then here are the 3 colors. In fact, they are exactly the same. The 3-color part is the front, the green part. Here, we can see the green part is the same. The black part is the same, the green part at the back. We need to split it into 2 colors for weaving. Those 22 frames, the 3-color ones are split into 15 frames. Adding 7 frames makes 22 frames in total. Then in line 18, here are frame 23. It splits it into 16 frames plus 7 frames. Here, 24 frames are split into 17. Plus 7 frames of other colors. Here, the outlining method is actually the same. Let's just use the 3-color version as a cover. Here, we're using 2 colors. One is the color that makes it stand out. One is a darker color. Then, when you switch lines. For the two-tone one, we switched lines for the first time. For example, I want to hook ears of this color. Let's start with this color line change. Then the last 22 pin thread switch. Just use this color entirely. Alright, let's just go ahead and cover it up. We'll use the 3-color version as the one we painted. The 2 ears are different colors. This one is used as a cover. We can just take a screenshot here and save it. Because the outlining method is actually very simple. Alright, let's switch the 3-color line here. Here, we use pull-out pins and stand-up pins. It is permissible not to hook first. Let's just take it apart first. Here. Let's also make the last single crochet stitch. Finally, here is the single hand of the needle curtain. We also took it down. This should help everyone see more clearly. Take it. Produce yarn. First, prepare both colors of yarn. 2. The color is set first. Let's do this last stitch. Crochet a half stitch single crochet, then place the white string down. Take out one of the colored threads. It's better to hold the line with your left hand, pressing on the back of this one. Press the thread end down to the back. Press it down with your finger. Let the color of the thread change come out. And then next, make a pull pin here with the marked pants. Pull the pull-out needle tight. Then a standing pin. For the color we want to change, crochet 7 single crochets first. Thread it into the stitches of the marked pants, then the 2 wires at the back. Place it on the crochet hook to do the hidden thread. Let's get out of the thread. Yarn over and crochet the first single crochet. This completes the first stitch of the thread change. Then continue. The thread ends on the back are pressed here to hide the thread. Let's do it. 2 needles, 3 needles, 4 needles, 5 needles, 6 needles, 'Then the 7th injection. Here, we also crochet half a stitch here. Then press the line down further. Take out the white thread. Continue with the white line. Let's continue crocheting 7 more single crochets. Alright, now the thread is out. Here are still 7 colors. This is a contest for attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the white line is enough to reach 7 more points. 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, 6. Alright, 7th contest here, we have half a stitch. Keep the line behind you. Then we take out another colored thread. For the 3-color version, we took out the other colored thread. If it's a 2-color line, go back to the line of the color we just hooked. Then keep pulling this string up. For the 3-color one, we press down another line. Okay, wind the thread out. Then crochet 15 single crochets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. For the 15th stitch, continue with half a stitch. For the 3-color one, let's continue with the first color of the thread. For 2-color threads, keep crocheting with this color. No need to replace it with white wire. Let's pull the yellow wire directly over. That's also possible, or we can simply cut it off here. We made the headphone bag look good. Let's just cut it off directly. This will make it look even better. From here on, everything is cut off. Here's how it goes, because inside the headphone case, if there were such a line ramp here, that would be unappealing. Pull. On the back, winding the thread out. Then continue. And here, we have 3 colored lines. Then you can press everything on top of it. One, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Alright, then continue with the final touch. A pull-out pin. Tighten. A standing pin. Then we can increase it first. You can take care of these thread ends first. Because we've mentioned that the cable ends in headphone bags like this don't look good here. All the thread ends are threaded through the lines. This is something we must pay attention to. Now, cut off all the thread ends inside. There's another zhongsa here. Then, next is lap 18. For lap 18, let's start with this color. Crochet 8 stitches. If we use two-tone options, except for the white color, if it's just one color, then we don't use these two colors. Which color is the checkbox? We just need to use it. If it's not white, just crochet it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the 8th needle, we crochet half a stitch. Keep taking out the white thread. Pressing down on the back, then keep hooking. White lines. White is our hook. 5 single crochets. Place 2 stitches on top of the crochet hook. Make a hidden line. Let's pull the 2 stitches together. One, 3, 4, 5th stitch, crochet half a stitch. Then continue with the line change. We are the tricolor of us, or maybe take out another color. Press it down and come out from behind. Then the next needle curtain begins. This color is woven together. Make 16 single crochets. 1. On this side, press all the cable ends on the back end. Make a hidden line. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Then let's go. After hiding a stretch of thread here, you can cut it off first. This would be more convenient. Keep going. The last stitch, crochet half a stitch. Continue changing routes. Press against the back. Cable out. Take these 2 threads and press them onto the crochet hook to make the hidden thread. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 stitches, we don't need to hide the thread on the back. Then pull out the pull pin and tighten a standing pin.